Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an in-depth review that's going to take your social media marketing strategy to a whole new level. Get ready for our comprehensive SociSmart review. So, what exactly is SociSmart? It's an advanced and data-driven marketing tool that promises to revolutionize the way you connect with your target audience. Unlike traditional marketing methods, SociSmart utilizes cutting-edge technologies to gather deep insights into potential customers' preferences, behaviors, and demographics. We've been using SociSmart for a while now, and let me tell you, these insights can make a massive difference in your marketing campaigns. Armed with this valuable data, businesses and individuals can create highly personalized and engaging content that resonates with their audience. Whether you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, freelancer, or content creator, SociSmart has something to offer. It's like having your own marketing powerhouse at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about the Threads Academy. This is where SociSmart truly shines. The educational resources here are incredibly comprehensive, catering to all levels of expertise. From beginners to seasoned marketers, you'll find valuable content that can help you enhance your marketing skills and stay ahead of the competition. The best part? SociSmart doesn't stop at education. It provides practical tools that you can implement right away. Whether it's optimizing your content, running data-driven ads, or analyzing your performance, SociSmart has got you covered. If you want a detailed review about SociSmart, I recommend a full video that you can find in the description. We've been blown away by the results we've seen using SociSmart. Our engagement rates have gone through the roof, and our conversion rates have never been better. It's safe to say that SociSmart has become an essential part of our social media marketing strategy. Now, let's talk about bonuses and discounts. SociSmart often offers some fantastic bonuses and special discounts that can sweeten the deal even further. It's a great way to make the most out of your investment. We also want to address any concerns you might have. Some people have asked if SociSmart is a scam. Let us assure you, it's not. SociSmart is a legitimate and reputable platform with a track record of delivering real results. However, like any tool or platform, it may not be a perfect fit for everyone. We encourage you to do your research, understand your needs, and see if SociSmart aligns with your goals. In conclusion, we wholeheartedly recommend SociSmart to anyone looking to elevate their social media marketing game. With its data-driven approach, educational resources, and practical tools, it's a complete package that can truly transform your marketing efforts. We've included a link to SociSmart in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this review useful. Let us know your thoughts and experiences with SociSmart in the comments section. As always, stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you next time. If you want a detailed review about SociSmart, I recommend a full video that you can find in the description.